How to reblog a post in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find all the feeds and even different posts. Now, in order to reblog or repost, here you can simply go on the post that you want to reblog. Here on the bottom, there's a repost button. Simply tap on it and we're in this create post section. So this is the place where you can share it in your own feed. Here on the right top, tap on reblog. Now it will take some time and it's done. So it has been reblogged into your profile also. Other friends and people added with you will be able to view this too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.